Introducing the Philips 2200 series fully automatic espresso machine, the perfect addition to every coffee lover's kitchen. This sleek machine is designed for anyone who enjoys a delicious cup of coffee or espresso at the touch of a button. With its classic milk frother and ability to make 2 different coffee varieties, this machine offers a customizable coffee experience tailored to your preferences. The intuitive touch display makes it easy to navigate and select your desired coffee drink without any hassle. Imagine starting your morning with a rich and creamy cappuccino made just the way you like it, all from the comfort of your own home. With the 100% ceramic grinder, AquaClean filter, and aroma seal, you can enjoy a high-quality coffee experience every time. Don't waste your money on expensive coffee shop drinks. Bring the cafe experience home with the Philips 2200 series fully automatic espresso machine. Say goodbye to long lines and overpriced drinks, and hello to the convenience of having your favorite coffee drinks right at your fingertips. Upgrade your coffee game today and treat yourself to the Philips 2200 series fully automatic espresso machine. You won't be disappointed. Click add to cart now and start enjoying a luxurious coffee experience in the comfort of your own home.